So it's just a quick video about removing the front cover here on a Renault Twizy. It's held in by 4 clips. So all you do is you just pull the 2 corners up here and on the right hand corner. You can also give it a slight tug in the middle as well, just to prise it off, and you just pull it towards you. So it is held in by a clip here, one here, and one there. The bottom is just plastic lugs hooking into holes on the top of the front bumper. So those clips go in here, 2 in the middle here, and then 1 back up there at the top of the windscreen. What happens is these spring clips, which are here, they often ping off when you pull it. Usually it's the 2 middle 2, and they will fall off and disappear inside the dash. Sometimes you're lucky and they will fall all the way through and fall into the footwell down underneath the pedals, and you'll be able to retrieve the clips. Sometimes they just disappear into the dash. You might be lucky and this one might fall on a little ledge in here and you can get some long nose tweezers and retrieve it, but sometimes they will just disappear in the dash and you'll never see them again. If that's the case, you need to replace these clips. I found they are very difficult to source. The only place to get them in this size is from a Renault dealer, and the part number is 769847302R, and I find this is such a common problem. I buy these at 10 at a time and keep them in stock because I'm forever losing these clips. So behind this cover you've just got your brake fluid reservoir and you've got your headlights. That's about it. But it's quite handy to remove this cover every now and then and clear this gully, because water and debris collects here and you'll get loads of rotting leaves and gunk, and there's no drain hole, so it's a good idea to give this a clean out every now and then. And then to put the cover back, you've just got to make sure all the bottom clips are lined up in the bumper, and then just push it on the top and it will go back into place.